right, people? You are welcome to my channel. It's Matt Dave here, and in today's video I'm going to reveal to you a secret site that pays you free Bitcoin. In other words, a site that mines Bitcoin for you for free of charge without you paying a dime. So without wasting much time, let's delve into it. Before that, I want you to have in mind that we are going to go through 7 steps. So I want you to stick with me from each and every step to the end so that you don't miss any vital information here. Because if you don't follow whatever I'm going to show you right now, right here, you might not going to see any results from this platform. So the name of the website is going to be revealed to you very soon, and we are going to register an account with them. Then we are going to click a button every 4 hours and we gain our free Bitcoin. We're going to repeat the process until we hit the minimum withdrawal threshold, and the money that we have, we withdraw onto their trading platform. We trade with the money and we successfully withdraw our profit when we attain their minimum withdrawal from their trading platform. And someone is quite skeptical right here, someone is worried right here. I'm like, Dave, I don't know how to trade, I'm very novice, I don't know anything about cryptocurrency. How am I going to have real money transferred into my bank account, or am I going to have any cryptocurrency transferred into my external wallet, and so on and so forth? I'm going to answer all those questions to you very soon, so you have to stick to me in this video and you follow to me as I proceed step by step. Okay, now let's go to the main business of the day. Let's go into my browser here. The name of the website is known as stormgain.com. And Stormgain is a cryptocurrency trading platform, just like Binance, just like crypto.com, just like Bybit, just like Coinbase Pro, and a whole lot of bunch trading platforms out there in cryptocurrency, to be precise. And the reason why we are coming to this site is that they have included a free mining section onto their platform, which allows users who successfully create an account, or users who have account with them, to mine free Bitcoin and withdraw when they meet the minimum withdrawal threshold. So as you can see, this simple video has been played over here. This is the app version of the site, and this is how it works. So we are going to go through the registration process. I already have an account here, so when you want to register an account, you just come to this section and click on start now. So if I click here right now, it's going to open my account for me, and I don't want to do that. I want to walk you through all the sign up process. So let me open my browser right now, right here, so that we can go through the registration process. So when you click the start now button, you are going to come to this page, and here you enter your email address. Here you have to make sure that it is an email address that you have access anytime, any day, so that any important update or any vital information, they are going to send to you right here. And this section is where you are going to enter your phone number. This is very important because when you reach the minimum withdrawal threshold, you have to verify your phone number before you are going to be able to withdraw to your external wallet. So you have to make sure that you enter a very working mobile number here. So you start by entering your country code. So if you are in the USA, you enter your country code, which is +1. If you are in Nigeria, +2 43 or something like that, or 234, I'm not really sure. So you just, I'm here right now here in Ghana, so I'm +233. So you just enter your phone number here and you create a password. And one very important and amazing aspect is that when you use the link that I'm going to leave in the description below, you are going to have a promo code right here, and this is going to give you free $3 sign up bonus, and you are going to be able to accumulate to that bonus. And when you get to $10, you'll be able to withdraw. So when you are not from the USA, you confirm, you click this here and you click agree, then you click on continue. When you are able to enter all the vital informations, then this icon here is going to turn green for you to click on continue, and you successfully create an account. They are going to send you a confirmation mail, so you have to make sure that you have access to the email that you use, as I said earlier on, in order for you to be able to verify your account so that you can have access to their mining section. So real quick, so when you create the account, this is how your interface is going to look like. This is the Storm Gain interface. So as you can see, right now I've successfully created an account. I have about 19 USDT in my account. I started mining less than 1 month ago, and I've been able to mine this. So when you are consistent on this side, you can get something very good. The reason why I'm having this in less than a month is that Bitcoin rose very high within this month, so I took advantage of that and withdrew my earnings, and I had $19 in my account in less than a month. So when you are able to create the account, this is how your interface is going to look like on the web version. It's a different interface when you're on the mobile version, but then everything is intact right there. So you have to go to the miner section right here. Okay, so you come to this section and you click on the miner. When this countdown gets to 000, you are going to be able to click this button, and a fraction of Bitcoin is going to be added to your account. So you have to do this each and every 4 hours on a free period, and it is not any big deal. You just come to the site, 4 hours, you click on it, your Bitcoin will be credited to your account, and when you hit the minimum withdrawal, which is 10 USDT, you are going to withdraw onto their platform. And what you are going to do is, I want you to stick with me right here. There is one thing that I want you to know. The $10 that you are going to have as a minimum withdrawal, you are not going to be able to withdraw this money into your external wallet right now, right here. But what you're going to do with the money is that you are going to trade with the money. So you come to their platform here and you place a trade. um you may be asking that, what if you don't have any trading experience? How are you going to go about this? uh you know something, this platform really inspired me because I had no idea about Bitcoin trading. So it is this platform that gave me the inspiration to give it a try. So when I came to this platform and I had this money in my account in the mining section, it was even less than this, and I was like, okay, I will be able to have the money in my bank account or in my external or wallet only if I trade and make profit here. So why don't I devote my time to learn Bitcoin trading, to learn crypto trading? So this platform inspired me. This platform changed me to delve into cryptocurrency trading, and right now I'm making progress. So let me show you something real quick here. Let's go to the report session. This report session um gives you information about how your current trade is actually going. I mistakenly placed a trade yesterday here, and it is costing me 5 USDT here. So I'm waiting. This trade is, I know this Ethereum price is gonna shoot up very soon, so I have to wait for the price to go up because I placed a sell order. So I have to wait for the price to go up before this is going to turn green, and when I hit my stop profits, I'm going to have the money in my account right here. So let's go to my close trade here, and you'll see something. As I said earlier on, I'm a novice. I'm still in the learning process. So I started this not long ago, think about 30th November, and I started gradually. So you can see that it is a rough and smooth something, but then at the end of the day, it's gonna make sense because as I'm progressing with my learning as far as cryptocurrency trading is concerned, I'll be able to make profits because right now I'm delving into the chart analysis, and this platform really inspired me, and at the beginning, I thought cryptocurrency trading was something very difficult and for special people with special brains and a whole lot of stuff. But then when I sat myself down to look at the basics, and I started putting what I practice into what I learn into practice by coming here, then you switch to a demo account. This is what I did. So I switched to a demo account, and whatever idea that I get from my classes in the sorry, in the cryptocurrency trading, I practice them here. So the demo account helped me to place some trades, and I just put whatever I've learned into practice right now. Right? So I'll encourage you, if you are a novice to cryptocurrency trading, if you don't have you have no idea and you have a perception that cryptocurrency is very difficult and there are some special people who can learn trading, it is you get it all wrong. I had no idea about cryptocurrency, but right now I haven't made it to an expert. I'm still in the learning process, and I see that it's very amazing. You don't need to pay money to any platform or anybody for signals. You have to take your time and learn gradually. So when you get the concept, you are going to see real profit. So that's all about storm gain. So you come to this section each and every 4 hours. Right now you can see that it is time for me to grab some free BTC. So I'm gonna click here right now. Let's see what happens. Check my balance. I'm having 1216 BTC here. So let's check. All you have to do is you have to shift this into the box right here, and boom, a portion of BTC has been successfully credited to my account, and this is still counting down. And then when the time is due, you just have to come here and click the button and do this simple task, and there you go. That's all that you have to do. So don't be worrying about the trading. There are a whole lot of paid courses out there. If you have the money, that's the best option. You have a coach, you have somebody to walk you through the process, and you learn. And if you don't have money like myself, devote your time, read articles, go to YouTube. My best recommendation for you is YouTube. Go to YouTube and learn trading, and you are not going to regret that. And when you come to this platform, you go to the trading section, and you come here and you put whatever you learned into practice. But before we go, I'm going to show you a site, a bonus site that is going to help you to earn real BTC without doing anything. And this site is not necessarily going to um pay you in Bitcoin, but then you can convert whatever money you have, whatever amount that you have here, to Bitcoin. And the site is going to mine free BNB, the Binance coin, for you for 100% free. So stick to me till the end of this video, or else you are going to miss this important update. So the reason why I'm recommending Stormgain to you right now, right here, is that they are having a very high trust score. So when you come to Trustpilot here, they are having 4.4 out of 5 ratings here, and about 20,000 plus people have given their reviews on this platform, and it is simply amazing. People sharing their experiences. And one thing people do complain about this platform is that, let me quickly clear this. One thing people complain about this platform is that when you come to the mining section here, you are mining in BTC, but then we are paid in USDT. So what is going on right now here is that it is a BTC USDT pair. So sometimes you can come here, you perform your tax, and you can see that you're having 0.7 USDT. When the 4-hour period is due and you come, you can be seeing something like 0.50 or 0.6 something, and you can see that your money has been reduced. But then the amount in BTC value always remains the same. So the reason why the money you are having in USDT, the corresponding money you are having in USDT, keep on fluctuating is that they pay according to the current market price. So everything here goes to BTC USDT per current price. So that's why you can come and you can see that your money has reduced, and sometimes when the price of BTC increases, boom, there you go, your money is going to going to increase like how it is going on the real market. So they are having very trust score here. And one thing you have to know that Coinbase is listed on CoinMarketCap, and it is one of the best cryptocurrency trading platforms out there. And if you come here, you can see that there are a bunch of trading platforms right now, right here, that CoinMarketCap has listed right here. And Coinbase, you can see that Coinbase is Stormgain is one of the platforms entered here. And you see that Binance, we all know that Binance is the best cryptocurrency trading platforms by volume, followed by Coinbase Exchange, FTS, Kraken, and so on and so forth. So let's go to Stormgain. Let's check where Stormgain is. You've already come there, but I want you to know that Stormgain is very legit, and you don't have to be worrying especially when you are devoting your time. Right, I know that you are not paying any money, but then you are actually trading your time for something, so you have to have something in return. So here is Stormgain, and they are currently having a 24-hour market volume of 7 million USDT, and it is very, very good and very great. As I showed you on their platform, this is all that you have to do. When you sign up, you come to this page, you go to the miner section, and you activate your mining process each and every 4 hours. So I promised you that I'm going to give you a bonus site. So when you want to register here, I'm going to leave a link in the description below, so that when you use that link to register, you're going to have free bonus of 3 USDT as a startup bonus. Right now, let's look at something right here. You can see that something is going here, something is going on right here, something is going on right here. This is an automated process, and this is the side that I'm talking about. You are going to be having free BNB. The reason why I'm mining BNB is among these, or this is the most valuable. As far as these four cryptocurrencies are concerned, BNB is the most valuable among them. And as you can see, I'm having 237 hash power here, and I'm having this. The reason why I'm having this is that what the site does is that you come here, bonus section, every 6 hours you come to the bonus section, and you are being given from 1 to 5 hash power to claim as bonus every 6 hours. So right now I've successfully claimed 1 hash power, and it's going to be added to my account, but then it's not going to add up to the mining process unless I come and hit OK. So when you come here, you can see that I have 2 unused power. So if I want to use it, I just have to click this one here. When I have right now, I've clicked a lot, I've claimed a lot, so I have to wait until this one is 3. Then I'm going to drag this thing here for it to activate it. Then I come down and I click on save. That's all I have to do. So that's all you have to be doing. You can also refer and have a fraction of what your friends are earning right here. I'm going to leave the link of this site in the description below, so that you can mine BNB alongside your Bitcoin in Stormgain. So I want you to help me grow my channel by subscribing to my channel, liking the video, and turning on the notification bell icon, so that each and every day I upload video, you are going to get notified, so you don't miss any important update. Thank you very much for being with me this while, and it's bye bye for now.